Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In my previous video, we saw how we created annotation groups and how we created items in the annotation group. In today's video, I'll be giving the demo of how can we rename, copy, edit and delete those groups. So let's get started. Now, for renaming, we'll go to the group that we created in the previous video. We'll click on this. And after we click on this, we'll go to the edit option. And in the edit option, when these details will open up, we can make any changes we want to, like we can change the text, or we can make changes to other options as well and submit it. And this way you'll be able to see that when I click on the group, the new text preview appears. So this is how we can edit. Then if you want, you can rename the group. You can change the name of the group. You can call it demo 2 and submit it. And you'll be able to see that the name of the group has changed. Then you can delete it over here. You can just simply click on delete and you can delete it completely. And or you can also copy it and paste it anywhere you want to. So this is how we can rename, edit, delete and copy the group in annotation. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and comment in the section below. If you have any specific questions, you can also write us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.